Alright, Nicky Ice here, and I thought it would be fun to show my girlfriend Rachel Star Wars for the first time. So Rachel, what are your expectations going into this?
I don't know, I never watched it because I don't know, I feel like I would be bored. Hopefully I'll get some quotes to use against you.
Alright, okay, good. Alright, so maybe a start of a series, we'll see how it goes. Alright. You have to watch it! You don't watch it. Stop, Rich, you have to watch it. No. You have to watch it. You have to watch it.
I don't have to read this.
You have to read it to understand the story.
What's you with your mask on?
My training mask? Okay. That's a huge compliment, by the way.
I'm not saying that's who you are, I'm just saying that's what you sound like.
Well, that's...
They're wearing like robes and stuff, and she's wearing like a denim jacket.
What?
Well, look at what they're wearing, and she's wearing like a denim jacket.
Because Rachel, they're farmers, and she's works in the house. Yes, because I've seen this movie.
Fun fact.
I've seen this movie 10 million
I
times.
touched that lightsaber. I held it in my hands.
I did. Well, that's a good point. Good point. He was, I guess. Yeah, with pizza? Oh, okay.
You've never heard of the Millennium Falcon?
Should I have?
It's a ship that made the Kessel run in less than 12 parsecs.
Well, it's never been in style, Rachel. So
It's like
Not after we demonstrate the power
big
of
like
this dish.
pancake.
In a way,
Some big bagels on the side of their head.
oh,
Some people love it.
haters gonna hate. Haters gonna hate. You knew it. You knew it.
That's what you want.
I know mouse dread. Because it's a mouse dread. What other explanation do you need?
The One is here. The Force is with him.
If you're right, he must not be allowed to escape.
Escape is not his plan. I must face him alone.
C-3PO! C-3PO!
I'll be sad if he dies.
You will?
Yeah, so
Why?
is he gonna die?
Why would you be sad?
Is he gonna die?
You have to watch the movie to find out.
Yeah, let him know.
No, you gotta watch the movie. Why would you be sad?
Seems like a cool guy. Go on.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, because there's gonna be an alien in there. In the ocean.
Okay.
Uh-huh. You really like the gold guy, huh? Do you know his name? What's his name? Okay, I'm just making sure you're paying attention.
He
This is a
literally
test.
said it like.
It was a test. I'm just making sure you're paying attention. You have to watch the movie. 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 See, that's where the ride at Disney is wrong, because they have the turrets in the front. And the turrets, you have to go on the ladder. See? It's inaccurate.
That's a nice guy
Oh. This thing's kind of weird.
Still.
Where's Ben?
Ben? Ben's dead.
He really is dead?
You just watched him die. Obi-Wan. That's his name. His name's Obi-Wan Kenobi. Okay, that was his disguise name, Ben. But his name is Obi-Wan Kenobi. Watch the movie. I hope you're taking notes here. Do you know what they're doing? Do you understand what they're doing?
I didn't.
The princess finally got the R2 units plans for the battle station, the Death Star. So now they saw in the plans that there's a little hole in the Death Star that if you shoot it, the whole thing will blow up. Yeah. Well, that's what you're gonna try to do, yeah.
I will try.
I mean, Rachel, there's like 9 movies, so I don't know.
So what you're saying is they don't do it.
I don't know. You're gonna have to watch to find out because there's like 9 movies, Rachel.
To do what?
To shoot the friggin' rocket in the hole. That I just explained to you 50 times. So he's turning off the computer. He's gonna use the force. You'll see. You'll see. You'll see when you watch the movies.
Huh?
You'll see when you watch the movies.
I made it.
All right. So review. All right, Rachel. So thoughts of the movie. A review out of 10.
It was good.
It was good.
8 out of 10.
An 8. Okay, what's your favorite part?
It only gets an 8 because of Leia's hair. Because it's like two
Alright,
big
so
Texas roll, like.
alright, so we're giving the
honey
movie a
bun
base
things
an
on the
8
side of
out
her
of
face.
out of Princess Leia's hair.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's your real score?
8.
Okay, what's your real reasoning?
That's the reasoning.
Okay, so that's the
And
end of the video.
And then I don't think Ben is dead. Is he really dead?
Well, that's why you watch the next movie.
I don't think he's dead.
That's why you have to
I
watch
think
the
he
next
just
movie.
disappeared.
Alright, so that's the end of the video. So we'll see if we'll do another one until next time. So 8 out of 10 from Rachel. First time seeing Star Wars. Finally saw Star Wars.
I can go to sleep.
And she can finally go to sleep.